What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a pretty neat project. If you can see, we are on a rooftop right now, and we're going to be installing an AC in a home that has not had AC in 30 or 40 years. And they have a 30 or 40-year-old unit in a closet. That's not ideal for them, and they would like to use the space. So we agreed that the rooftop would be the best location for them. And just like a lot of other homes in this neighborhood, they have the AC on the roof. So we're going to be putting a rooftop package unit, and we're going to have to put in a new jack, new elbow, new stand, new unit, and then also reconfigure the ductwork. So, not to mention, we need to run also high voltage to it, low voltage to it, the whole 9 yards. So we're going to bring you along, show you what's all involved. And you can see the power's over here, right there, and we're going to bring it in the attic all the way to the new location. So we'll go ahead and get started on this. First things first, we need to cut this jack and put it in place, make it watertight.
Dude, this thing feels way different. It's like an actual good thing.
I know, it's crazy, huh? Go up with it. Finish cutting. Good.
Right there?
Yep. Okay. Cool. Taking out the old one. It's gonna be canceled out. No need for it, and it's just taking up space, making all kinds of noise and whatnot. And you guys know that I brought extra tin, right? So you can tin the bottom, obviously, and then the top. And that's as far as we go with that. All right. Okay, I think this thing should be in a museum or something, but yeah, we're gonna get rid of this, get rid of the line set, get rid of the electrical, haul it off, and that's where our box is. I'm gonna go ahead and run power in the attic all the way to that unit that's gonna sit up on the roof. But yeah, that's that. Okay. And there it is. We cut it open the roof here and put our jack on. We cut our cap. So now we're going to go ahead and put our drops on. We got Brian right here, per usual. All right. You want to screw that cap on, or else it's going to bow on you a little bit because of the weight. My drill is right here. I gotta use my... Okay, all right, that's cool. That's respectable.
Screw this thing on.
That definitely did not grab, by the way.
Yeah.
All right, there you go. That one did.
Don't use that.
Fair enough. All right. Let's go ahead and put the drops on. There you go. It's a little snug, but it'll get in there. There you go.
Yeah.
Money, money, money. We hitting on something?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out. That's not the metal though.
Okay, so a little time has passed by. Crane got here a little early, so we set the unit a little bit further back so that we can still work on our ductwork there. We still need to seal it up. This is the unit we're going to be using. It's a 2-stage day and night. And okay, and right now we are running the power. You can see, I'll come over here. Brian is pulling the wire. I already fed about 75 to 100 feet to him. You can see right there. So now he's gonna feed it to me through here, through that hole I did, and then we'll put it in. You know, because it's gonna be under 6 feet, we're gonna put it in liquid type. So, and the reason we didn't do the ductwork right away is because we wanted to be able to come in and out through this opening that we made. Right, as you can see, there's the new jack. We opened up obviously the roof to get all that in there, so we're going to leave it as a way to for us to get in and out of the attic without having to go all the way to the hatch, which is way in the garage. So imagine getting from the garage all the way over here is a lot harder than just getting in through that opening. It looks like he's right there already. So got it, bro? Was it pretty easy or hard? You made it look easy. Okay, and we skipped a lot because it started to sprinkle on us and we were working quickly. I had no time to give you a ton of updates, but well, here's the unit on the roof. Here's the elbow. We got our drain line. It's all sealed up. Did a tar job. Okay, back up a little bit here. Get a different angle. We got our high voltage, our new thermostat wire sitting on our new stand, our new disconnect box. We got our new drain line right here on top of the roof. Ran the high voltage, but we're still not done yet. Okay, this is just an update. Let's keep going. We still got to put the breaker on, bend some conduit, show you the new returns we had to install. We plugged in a supply, so I'll get you some footage of that as well. But this is the update so far. Okay, so this is where the old unit was. Plugged up that hole and they got a little bit of aesthetic work they got to do. That's excluded on our end. And then we have the conduit and the new circuit labeled nicely. And that's pretty much it for today. We're gonna go ahead and head out, and we will do part 2 tomorrow. And there we have a couple new return grills. All right. Not sure what's up with that. I wonder, was that there already? It's like a Phillips, a random Phillips. I don't know. It had to be. It's weird. Oh, I'm sure they probably hung some type of ornament or something there. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay, so there's that.
Alrighty, so this is the concluding video for today's work. We did a package unit on this house pretty close to the shop. This is it. This is the end result. Looks really nice. So originally this house didn't have a package unit. It had a split, so we made the cutout for the jack, and we did the elbow. The unit, as you can see, it's nice and sealed with tar for it to be waterproof. Unit's sealed on the edges, silicone. It's very nice. New thermostat wire, new whip, new disconnect box. So yeah, it looks really nice. Nice end product. PVC all the way to the end of the house right there, and it just comes down right there. So yeah, this is the end product.